Good afternoon, everybody. Doing some work on the old RS today. I was having some issues with the sunroof. I got it shut now, but a lot of the videos I was looking up didn't really show this particular car, so it's kind of hard to get an idea without actually seeing what's going on here. But I got a little ahead of myself and took all the handles off, the visor, and the rear view, and the dome light, and the switch right here. Took the dome light down. Anyway, the motor's back here. So there's this little clip, this little circle clip that pushes up into here, and I thought to just maybe pull it out and see what's in there, and I'm glad I did. Saved me the time of pulling the whole visor or headliner down. So anyway, in here, that's meant for like an Allen head, and actually it's a 3/16. Yep, it's a 3/16. So anyway, I'll just show you what happens. Finagle it in there for you, and then if you turn it left, it takes a lot of force, but you can see the sunroof start to open, and my motor's beat, so that's why I'm going through this. But anyway, sorry for the bad angle. It's hard to do this with one hand, but I'm gonna put this back on tighten, and then I'll get this shut, because that's my problem. So anyway, you're just going up in there, and it, like I said, it takes a lot of force. You really gotta crank on it. But there you go, you see it closes, and you just keep turning, and you'll feel I just hit it, the spot right there where it can't turn anymore, so it's shut. Anyway, if you're having sunroof issues, that's the way to manually close it. So if you get trapped out, just go pick yourself up a screwdriver with a 3/16 bit. It's a lot easier than going home and dealing with it there. You get trapped out in the rain. That's kind of the scenario I was going to be in. It's about to rain. So anyway, that's how you do it. Couldn't find a better video on how I saw other vehicles, but this is the clip that you're looking for on this particular car. Is going to be 98 to 2001 Subaru RS. So not a whole lot of them out here, so it was kind of hard to find this video anywhere else. So yep, just that little hole, Allen key, pop it out. Don't waste your time taking all this and trying to get the headliner down, because that's gonna waste your time. So anyway, hope I could help. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.